Hey, what's up guys? Tony from Tucker Speed here, and wanted to talk today about one of our favorite products, a must-have product, the Lexin tire pumps. These are a must-have for not just motorcyclists, but these really work great for anything that, throw them in the garage for kids' toys, bicycle tires, sports, football, basketball, soccer ball, all that stuff, or even in the backseat of the car in case of an emergency. They make great gifts for just about anybody in the family, great for emergency applications. So we have both the Gen 1 and the Gen 2 tire pumps currently available on the website. I'm going to unpack these things here and kind of show you what comes in them and the differences between them. They're both they're currently priced at $49.95 and $69.95. Get a few more features and add-ons with the Gen 2. So let's jump in, we'll unpack these things and I'll tell you more about them. So with the Gen 1, at the lower price point, what it comes with is it comes with a nice protective carrying case and the fill nozzle. And both pumps are rechargeable, come with a charging cord, so just keep them topped off and they're always ready to go. They do come with a needle for basketball, soccer ball, that type of stuff, charging cord, and then the fill hose. Thread the fill hose in up top, and then that is ready to go. That's the Gen 1 pump there. And the Gen 2 pump, unpack this thing. So the Gen 2 also comes with a carrying case, a little bit more durable case, a little bit bigger screen. Also comes with a needle for all the sports applications. Comes with a charging cord, and the fill hose also just threads in up top. One of the first differences you're going to see between the Gen 1 and the Gen 2 are the fill type, the nozzle type. Gen 1 has kind of the old school like bicycle pump lever that kind of locks it onto the valve stem. The Gen 2 has the thread-on style. They both work great. I personally like the thread-on style. I think it's a little easier to use and get a better seal there. The other big difference between Gen 1 and Gen 2 is the Gen 2 actually comes with a USB plug, so you can also use this to charge, cell phones or any other accessories that use a USB plug to charge them. Powering these units up, Gen 2, hold the button down and it turns it on. It has some presets. You can actually cycle through these presets and set them so you got car, basketball, bicycle, motorcycle. Basically what that does is it just sets the PSI you want to air up whatever it is you're going to, so it just makes it a little quicker. You also can select the type of the units, whether you're measuring PSI or bar, or I don't know who uses bar or kPa, but it has that feature there. The Gen 1, powered up, you just hold the unit button. You can then again select the unit, PSI, bar, kPa. You got the up and down to just set your desired PSI. No presets on the Gen 1. So I'm going to hook it up to a tire here and kind of give you a quick demonstration on how these things work and give you an idea of how well these things go and go from there. So I got this really dirty flat track wheel here. We'll hook the Gen 1 to it. So once we're hooked on with the Gen 1, we'll set it to our desired PSI. And to actually start it, there's a button on the bottom that you actually hit to start it. Oh, yeah, it's already at the set PSI, so I'll turn it off. I'll just up this PSI, the desired PSI. So we'll go 32 is our desired PSI. Turn it on. And it's going to climb until it hits your desired PSI. and then automatically shut off. So you can see it climbing there. It'll automatically shut off at 32. It's still climbing there. It's getting close. I mean, and it's not a huge pump, so it's not going to go fast, but this is more for emergency situations. You know, it hit 32 and shut off, so we're set. Then with the Gen 2 setup, it has the thread-on style fitting here. I'll go ahead and thread that on. I'm just going to manually override our desired PSI. We'll just go 33 and then hit start. You hit the power button to start the Gen 2. We're currently at 32, now we're at 33. And it'll run for a second and then shut itself off, so there it is. So, all right, so there they are. Lexin tire pumps, both Gen 1 and Gen 2 on the website now. Like I said, must have for any motorcycle rider to keep in your saddlebag for emergency use. Great to keep in the garage for all this stuff at home or gifts. Keep them in the backseat of the car or whatever. But check them out on the website now.